So good day guys, on looking at my screen now, you can see my CapCut is asking me to join Pro. So on today's video, I'll be showing you how you can install a cracked CapCut version and use everything on this capture for free. Alright, so the very first thing you have to do is to probably you can go to your search bar and just search for add, and you're going to see add or remove programs. So what you're going to be doing is just click on it, the control panel. You can go through control panel, but the easiest way I think is to come through the add or remove. The search bar and search for the add or remove. So now when it's loaded, just search for your CapCut. So basically what you just have to do is to uninstall the one you have. So that's what you are going to do first. So let's search for it. So don't forget, you want to install CapCut, not CapCut OS. This one is just like a shortcut to a website. So you're going to uninstall it, and now it's going to ask you, do you want to allow? Then you're going to click on yes. Alright, so I think it's getting uninstalled already. So it's asking you if you want to keep your user data. I actually don't want to stock up my system with so many things, so I'm going to unmark that. If you want to keep your user data, you can keep it clicked, but you at the same time you may follow my procedure. So I'm going to click on OK. CapCut is run before installing it. OK. So let me just close it because it was still on. Alright. So okay, so you see all installing now. Successfully uninstalled, so that it has been uninstalled successfully, so complete. So you can see we don't have CapCut here again. That means it has been uninstalled. So the next thing you have to do is to restart your PC. So that's what you have to do next. So I'm going to do that now and restart. So after you have restarted your PC, the next thing you are going to do is come to just your search bar again, or if you know where this application is, just search for WinRAR, this particular one. I don't know if I got the pronunciation right. So just search for it and you can open it. So that's when you've already have the software downloaded. This actually, we have two of them. One is electric, another one is this CapCut 2.9 point something. Alright, so you can use this electric and you can use this CapCut, anyone. The only difference is that they are the same thing. The difference here is that this is like an older version and this is like updated version 2.9.1. So for the sake of this video, I'm going with the latest version. So depending on the one you get, some people may actually prefer to use this one, some people will prefer to use this particular one. So whichever one you want to go for, just extract. So you can just click on this particular one, and when you right click on it, sorry, when you click on it, so you can use extract to that. This you can extract it to any file, or you can extract it here as well. So I'm going with this. It's still almost the same step, so there's no rocket science in this. So just click on double tap on it, and click on double tapping on it. Then you get the application here, and here it is. So you tap on it, and it's going to ask you for the password, which I'm going to put that now. Okay, I don't want to. Alright, so it's going to ask for the password. Okay, so and you're going to click on OK. And it's going to extract it, and after extracting it, the application software is going to install immediately on your PC, and you'll be able to use your CapCut Pro. Anything that has to do with Pro or on it is going to be free for you. So and if you want to get this app, it's very much available with me. So I'm going to drop my contact details in the description of the video, or as well as the first comment you will see on this video. So it's very much available with just 5,000 naira. With just 5,000 naira. If you are paying, you can actually pay in any currency. If you are paying in dollar, so this is going to cost you just $3 if you are paying in dollars. But if you are paying in naira, it's going to be just 5,000 naira. Alright, so I agree and install now. So you can see I didn't do anything. It's brought this interface up. Yes, immediately after it got extracted. Right, so you can see it's installing already. So let's wait for it and let's see what we have at the end of it. So there's another thing I actually forgot to say. When you are installing it, make sure your PC is not connected to the internet. Make sure your PC is not connected to the internet. You guys can see I'm not connected to it. You can see no internet access, no connection available. So I actually disconnected that so that you can have a good software. So that because if you don't do this, it may later ask you to join Pro. So and again, after you have gotten this thing installed, this software, after it has been installed on your PC, it may ask you to update. Please don't do so, because if you update, it will ask you to join Pro. So you may have to rerun this process again by uninstalling the one you updated and have to reinstall the cracked version again. Alright, so it's very simple as that. So the thing is just a few more seconds or a few more time to be installed. Well, 99% already. Alright, so as you can see, it has been successfully installed. So the next thing you can do, you can actually quit this, or you start it now just to check. So we'll actually want to check if the Pro has been removed. So let's click on start now. Let's click on start now. So it is actually normal for every CapCut the text environment, and so not this is not actually done always, but sometimes it does that. So all right, so we can actually close this. We are done with it. So you can see the Join Pro has been removed. So you may sign in with your TikTok account. Okay, I don't have a network, so let me quickly connect that to my phone, and so we'll be able to sign in our account. So it's actually advisable you sign with your TikTok account. You know, CapCut is actually owned by TikTok founder. So I think that'll be better. So alright, so the network is here to be synchronized. So you can see now. Alright, so no internet access here. So now it has been connected. Alright. So you can see what I was saying is outdated. So I advise don't update, because if you do so, you will need to join the pre again. So you just need to sign in to your TikTok account, and that's it. And you keep on enjoying your distance. So don't let me just waste our time with that. So that was very, very simple that anybody can do. So you can see there's nothing like people here again. So people materials, blah blah blah. This is like an intro. We're doing them where I already know about almost everything here. So you can see there's nothing like Jump Pro. So let's check the text. Okay, let's check the animation. So this are Pro subs. Okay, I think I have a slow network. Alright, so you can see there's nothing like that here. There's nothing like Pro. Everything is free. So with just 5,000 naira or $3, you'll be able to get this software from me. So you get my contact details. You're definitely going to reach me on Telegram. You get my contact details on the description and first comments of this video. Thank you guys for watching. If there's any other video you want me to work on, kindly drop down in the comment section of this video. Be it a trick to make money online, I'll try my best to work on them, and I'm going to drop them here for you. Thank you guys for watching. See you on the next video. Bye.